Ang singsing ay simbolo ng pagmamahal, walang hanggang pagmamahal.
Together is our favorite place to be.
Every love story is so beautiful, but our story is my favorite.
As long as buhay na buhay ang pagmamahalan, kahit ano pang dumating sa inyong buhay, makakayanan at makakayanan niyo yan.
This is the day we waited. Ito na yung pinakahintay mo.
The moment I give my heart to you, I swear that you'll always have it.
Sa hirap man o sa ginhawa, haharapin natin ito na magkasama.
You have come together in this church so that the Lord may seal and strengthen your love in His community and its ministry.
Love will always light up our way together. It shall lead us along the road. That love, elusive, hold forever.
Pagpasalamat ko king Abong Ginoo uling metupad ngan ing pangadi kong yapin ini ing tiktok ing arap na ning altar na ning isamban kaya biya ka.
Love. We started our relationship with the you and me against the world. Because of our opinions and beliefs are different in other matters. Now, I finally understand why Ben and Ben choose the line, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw over mamahalin ka sa araw-araw. Maybe because it's not guaranteed every day. The love, intensity, the purity of love will never be the same every day. But despite the fact, I will still choose you.
Accept this gift as an appreciation sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa akin, lalo na pag pinagsusungitan kita. I love you, Daddy, always and forever.
They may say you should let it all go if we're hurting that much. But I say that love is the best reason to hold on.
Ikayong blessing na kakuning Abong Ginoo. Buong biya kong ipagpasalamat hindi kaya nating meto nga siya lamari naman ang tabi ka na ako at lulugod ka na ako.
Hindi mo pwedeng ihiwalay ang buhay pananampalataya sa pagmamahal. Dahil kapag buhay na buhay din ang buhay pananampalataya ninyo, again, kahit anong kalagayan, kahit anong kapalaran ang darating sa buhay ninyo, makakayanan at makakayanan niyo yan.
I will still choose you because I can hardly see my future with anybody else. I cannot phantom tomorrow without you. I cannot see myself sharing warmth with person other than you. The attachment, the foundation we laid, the wild love, there are investment worth growing.
Love, datang taman king panahon na matwata na at makatukot na ka. Pangako ko na adyo ko pa rin king siping mo na palaging magpaalala na ating meto nga konsi na nagmamahal, minamahal at mahal na mahal ka.
Simula ngayon, love, wala nang ikaw at ako. Ang meron na lang ay tayo. I love you so much.